what we got. Want to show everybody? Hey, got some Shining Legends. Can't wait to see what we get. All right. So while I was kind of thinking about keeping this as part of my sealed collection, I couldn't help it because it has the pin in it. And you know what? I want that pin. So I'm going to get that pin.
We are definitely hoping for that full art Mewtwo. You know, I'll take a full art Entei, but I really want that Mewtwo. That would be a huge score, and I'd be very, very satisfied with that.
Let's be super careful with this Marshadow. Alright, look at that beautiful promo Marshadow. Very, very nice. We like that card. And there's that beautiful pin. Oh, yes. So obviously with Shining Legends. Let's hope Rayquaza gives us good luck. Please, I need you. I need you. Give me, you know what? I would even take a Shining Rayquaza because Shining Rayquaza is a pretty sick card. And I'd be happy with that. But we are definitely looking for that Mewtwo. I'd lose my, you know what, if we got that Mewtwo. And I was able to snag a couple of these bad boys, so we're actually going to be opening that in a later video. Let's see what we get. We got Warp Energy as the #1 card. Howl, Scrafty, Quillfish, Ivysaur, Torkoal, Bulbasaur, Pikachu, Torracat, and Hoopa. And, come on, Mewtwo's in there, right? Mewtwo's got to be in the Mewtwo pack. I mean, you've got to be, right? Come on. Ooh, why is this? Ooh, that's kind of weird. The pack was kind of sealed down. That was weird. This came from Walmart, so that would be strange, and it was all sealed, so fingers crossed there's nothing fishy there. I guess some packs have been like that. I do feel like something's back there. Let's see what happens. Oh man. Here we go. Volcanra, Damage Remover, Spear Bomb, Jinx, Pikachu, Ekans, Torracat, Breloom, Larvesta, and Virizion. Let's see what we get with the last pack. Fingers crossed here. That pack was not super locked down like that other Mewtwo pack was, which is weird. Let's see what happens. I am really hoping. What do you think, Jenkins? I just said Jenkins. What do you think, Wilson? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Here we go. Arbok, Venusaur, Switch, Golett, Voltorb, Breloom, Litten, Larvesta, and Yveltal. Pikachu, you gotta be my savior here. Come on. I need you here. We really want something here. Alright, we're gonna get you open. Because I also want that pin. You know I want that pin. I want it. Give it to me. Come on. Give it to me. Alright, there we go. There we go. Opening the box safely because I plan to do something with these boxes. Alright, I definitely want, I love that. You know, I want to cut the back out or something like that.
Alright, here we go. There's a beautiful Pikachu promo. Here's like a Pikachu card.
Definitely some of the best. Beautiful, beautiful art. Looks wonderful. I honestly love that. Alright, here we go. We got 3 Rayquaza packs in there. Alright, there's the Pikachu. Well, technically the 4th pack. It's a little bit, see, that's super weird to me. I don't know. Again, but maybe people can explain that that's normal for everybody. But, I'm almost just tempted to go straight to it. Alright, let's see what we get. No. 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 Ugh. Because it wasn't easy. And, yeah. Alright, another one that seems a little bit sticky there. Jeez, I'm just praying here. We have basically struck out. Alright, Sophocles, Great Ball, Scrafty, Quillfish, Stunfisk, Bulbasaur, Golett, Velour, Golett. Oh, okay. I got a GX at least. Zoroark, not bad. I like that. If you're going purely off money, I mean, I suppose those are $5 pens. Maybe Rayquaza is more, but that Pikachu's cool too. So. All right, I'm really just hoping for something in this last pack from this Walmart two-pack pin collection for Shining Legends. All right, Pokemon Breeder, Lily, Sophocles, Croconaw, Jinx, Pikachu, Ekans, Torracat, Zekrom, and Keldeo. No Shining, nothing. One darn GX. Better luck next time, everybody. Thank you for watching.